Boxes. This is Brittany from SHOPFOXBURROW on Poshmark and Foxborough Vintage on Etsy, and today I'm here to review a mystery box with you. I ordered this a couple of days ago. It got here really quickly, and it is a Anthropologie and Free People mystery box. And so it was only $25. I double checked with the seller, and everything is supposed to be Anthropologie and Free People. She said that it would be 5 pounds of good sellable condition clothing from those two brands that she was downsizing, moving to New York City. And I did weigh it. It is 4 pounds 9 ounces, so pretty close. She said there would be at least 10 pieces inside. And I'm excited to see what she sent. So what I'm expecting is for all the items to be clean and free of flaws, so no like snags or holes or anything like that. If it's got a little bit of wear, I can totally understand that. She did say good condition, she didn't say excellent condition, but I don't think that there should be any flaws. And I'm expecting that some of it will actually be Urban Outfitters and not Anthropologie, but that the majority should be Anthropologie and Free People. If you don't already know, they all have the same RN number because they're all under one umbrella company. So the RN number is 66170, and that RN number is on house labels from Free People, Anthropologie, and Urban Outfitters. So sometimes you can't tell just from the RN number whether or not it's from Anthropologie, because it could be either of those brands. Alright, so let's bust into this. I've pre-cut it. Make it easy to open. So she shipped this next day, so I think she probably already had it packed up. She sent a card with, a candy, an Andy's Mint type of candy. And she sent a card that said, "Thank you for your purchase. I hope you love everything in your Anthropologie Free People mystery box. Happy selling." So that's really sweet. The inside looks like this. It's covered in tissue paper. Alright, and she has polybagged the items so that they are not subject to the weather. Alright, well this looks promising. Let's break into it and see what we've got. I'm going to move this over here. Alright, so this is the first bag. I feel like Amber Resells just had this in her video from the Thrifting Wanderluster. Yeah, she did. So this is just a really pretty blouse by Odile. This is Anthropologie. It's got smocked sleeves and a smocked neckline. And it's a size 6, so it's a nice size. She said it could be any size. And this looks like it's in excellent condition. There's almost no wear to that, so that's great. Another piece. This is by Moth, which is another Anthropologie brand, so 2 for 2, that's good. This is a size small. It's a rust colored sweater with like a chiffon cutaway top on the sleeve. And let's see. Yep, a curved hem, 3/4 length sleeves. That's cute. It's in good shape too. Not a lot of pilling or wear, so a little bit, but not a lot. That's in good condition. I don't know what this is. This is Intimately Free. So this is Free People. I'm gonna assume this is a bandeau. I'm sorry, it amazes me that people have the confidence to wear stuff like this, but good for them. So I'm assuming that's a bandeau. Goes here. Good for the festival season, and it's extra small, and that's in great shape too. Okay, this is another little like crop top type of thing. I think this is also Free People. Yep, another Intimately Free People piece. This is a small floral crop top with a smocked back. This is like an off-the-shoulder crop top. It'll go like that. That's really cute. Somebody would like that for festival season, I think. Alright, next up is Cloth and Stone. It's a little skirt, drawstring waist. This is a size large. This is in excellent condition. Has pockets, not lined. It's another Anthropologie piece. That's great. Let's see here. This one is Lilka. So it's Anthropologie, but this is going to be a sleepwear piece because Lilka does sleepwear. It looks like it's got like a tie system in the back. I think it goes kind of like this. I mean, you could wear it as outerwear, but it's a sleep top, I believe. Looks like that. That's cute. It's in great shape too. Yeah, no flaws that I can tell. Looks good. There's a little tiny bit of like pilling or wear under the arms, but yeah, no real problem there. It looks good. And we have a Nanette Lepore skirt. This is a size 6. This has been sold at, like, this brand has been sold at Anthropologie before, but usually it's sold at like Nordstrom. It is a higher end label. This is the older tag. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it's got a little rose on each end, and it says Nanette Lepore spelled out. And this is just a little fully lined skirt with little pleats, kind of like a mini skirt. It's cute. It's in excellent condition. No issues there. Okay, let's see how many items that was. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items so far, including the bandeau top. And there's another bag. Okay. Looks like we got a blazer of some sort here. Let's see what we got. This is by 11C's, so this is another Anthropologie piece. Little, it feels kind of like linen. Let's, yep, 100% linen blazer. It's gonna have like 3/4 sleeves. This will be perfect for the spring. It's got like kind of a baby doll front to it. This is an older 11C's tag, so this is definitely from like the early 2000s, but it's cute. And I don't see any flaws. It looks like it's in great shape, so it's we have another knit piece. Let's see. This is Free People, size medium. Oh, it's a sweater dress. So it's got like pointelle micro knitting mixed with like striped knit. This is, I think, a full length sleeve. It's like a bodycon sort of style. Obviously all of their like fitted stuff looks so small. Like it's a medium, but it looks like an extra small. But it's in great shape. It's got like no pilling, no wear. I would call it excellent condition. So that's great. And I think 2 more pieces. And this is a Splendid top. This is actually a little girl's top. It's a size 12. So this is the Splendid tag. Splendid has been sold at Anthropologie before, but usually most pieces end up being from like Nordstrom, and Anthropologie doesn't sell kids stuff, so this definitely didn't come from Anthropologie or Free People, but it's a little striped purple and white sweater with like a high-low front, dolman sleeves, and it's in good shape too. It's in nice condition. And I do sell kids stuff in my closet, so I won't have a problem posting this. Alright, and last item. This is another Splendid top. It's a size small. This could be sold at Anthropologie. They do tend to sell more like basics if they sell Splendid, and it would have been older, from like 2014-ish, I think is when they were selling Splendid. I don't believe they do anymore. You can correct me on that in the comments if I'm wrong. But this is just a nice little sort of high-low top. It's a size small, oversized fit, and then it has like a rayon upper. and then like a jersey back. It's really soft, and it's in really nice condition. Splendid doesn't have like a great resale value, even though it's a very expensive brand. You'll see a lot of people have a hard time selling Splendid, but this is pretty cute. I might actually keep this for myself. I need more basics in my closet, so I'm not upset about that. All right, let's count these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So she sent 11 items. That's more than the 10. So if you were like, about the bando, then you can just say it's a freebie. So I think this is a great box for $25. I'll absolutely more than make my money back on that. Everything was in really good condition. She shipped it super quickly. And yeah, there's some good pieces in here. It's not like just a bunch of tank tops or junk. There's a nice mix of like different styles. It's not all tops or all bottoms or all outdated pieces or anything like that. And I think that these are actually pretty nice colors for spring. The coral color is Pantone's, color of the year, and there was a lot of that. I love this rust color on the moth sweater. And I think that this was a really great box, and I'm actually probably going to go order another one if she has it available. So she had a ton of different box styles. I am going to go ahead and put her closet in the the description below so that you can go check it out. And yeah, I highly recommend this box. She just started doing them. There was one love note on another mystery box that she had done, and it was a positive love note, and I decided to take a chance because it was a really great price, and she said that all the items were either Free People or Anthropologie, and I really like what I got, so I'm going to go ahead and maybe purchase another one, see what else she has available, and I hope that you'll go check out her closet too. Alright, thanks so much for tuning into this review. If you like this sort of thing, I did order a box from the Thrifting Wanderluster. I ordered a plus size box back at the end of December. So I'm still waiting on that to come in. Hopefully it comes in soon so I can do a review for you guys. And if you like this kind of content, let me know and I can do more mystery boxes. I usually don't tend to do them because I'm very specific about what types of stuff I want in my closet, but with Anthropologie, Free People, I'm pretty open. It all has a similar sort of aesthetic to what I'm going for, and if stuff doesn't work out, I can always take it into my consignment store. Yeah, so if you like this, just let me know and leave me a comment down below what you think about this box, what was your favorite piece, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye!